Welcome back to Home with Sonia. Today I'm sharing a warm, cozy, and minimal Christmas decor with me in my dining room. Simple holiday styling, elegant Christmas decor ideas, and soft holiday glow that makes this space feel magical. If you love neutral Christmas decor, minimal holiday styling, and cozy Christmas decorating ideas, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming Christmas decorating content. Now let's get this space transformed. Here is what my dining room looks like with absolutely no decor. I've already added my flocked Christmas tree and fluffed it up. This tree is from Lowe's. It's pre-lit, beautifully full, and I've had it for a few years now. It's always such a great base for this room. I'm starting the decorating over on my hutch, beginning right at the top. I'm adding a Christmas print I picked up last year from Temu, along with my DIY vintage style Christmas tree prints inside the thrifted frame. Besides those, I'm adding a few of my vessels to balance the height and fill in the space with some warm, neutral, natural texture. On the opposite side, I'm adding these lightly flocked small trees from HomeSense. But just placing them as they were didn't quite feel right. I wanted to elevate the look a bit. So I added this little footed board under one of the trees to give it a bit more height and variation. Moving to the shelves, I'm adding another plate from my fine china set. I absolutely love how the china pops against the black background. It's such a simple but striking detail. For a small pop of red, I'm adding this wooden word sign from HomeSense. I've had it for years and it always brings a little festive charm. On the next shelf, I added a few more pieces from my fine china collection, paired with the small flocked stems and this vintage looking cookie jar I thrifted a few years ago. It's one of my favorite Christmas finds. If you thrifted any Christmas gems this year, tell me what you found. I would love to know. To the base of the cabinet, I'm adding a set of snowmen along with my DIY vase with the brown velvet ribbon tied around the neck. Inside, I'm placing Norfolk pine stems from Temu. They're soft, full, and add the perfect touch of greenery. And to complete the look, I'm adding my bread bowl candle to bring in even more warmth and that cozy Christmas glow. If you're decorating along with me today, comment a little Christmas tree so I know. If you're enjoying this more minimal decorating style, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. And if you're not subscribed, this is a great time for you to do so. Next, I'm keeping the table very simple because we eat here every night. Do you decorate your dining room for Christmas or keep it simple? Let me know below. I love hearing your ideas. I'm adding a runner from HomeSense and placing my DIY paper mache bowl and olive atelier dupe right in the center. Inside, I added some simple pine cones. It's an easy, cozy setup that can be moved off the table quickly for family dinners and put right back without any fuss. The last piece of furniture I'm decorating is this vintage tea cart. I'm adding my large vase and filling it with frosted eucalyptus stems, and then I'm going to be adding some frosted berry stems, both from Michael's and pieces I've had for a few years. What colors are you decorating with this year? I always love hearing about your combos. Tell me what your favorite piece so far is. I love hearing what you notice. Beside that, I'm placing my DIY candle for soft, warm glow. On the bottom shelf, I'm adding another decor piece with words on it that I found at Costco a few years back. I love how it ties all the colors and textures together. I also wanted to share the ornaments I'm adding to the tree. Most of them are handmade with few special pieces mixed in. I'm also going to be adding brown ribbon this year, as well as I did this last year, and a soft white tree skirt to finish it off. And here is how the tree looks fully decorated. Warm, cozy, and minimal, just the way I love it. Do you prefer flock trees or natural green? I always go back and forth. And that completes my warm, cozy, and minimal dining room Christmas decorate with me. I hope this video gave you ideas and inspiration to style your own home for the holidays. If you enjoy spending time with me today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Christmas decorating content, and let me know in the comments what space you want to see next. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.